how to fix TikTok login problem with Facebook. So if you want to fix TikTok login problem with your Facebook, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Play Store. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Go with your search, and under search you need to search for TikTok. Once you've searched here, you will have the application. You can just simply go with the update if you have any updates under the application. Now, once you've updated, you can go back and open up your TikTok. Once you open up your TikTok, now you need to go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. And from here, you will have a login option, right? So you just need to simply tap on the continue with Facebook option. And once you tap on continue with Facebook, you'll be logged in to your TikTok with your Facebook. But before that, make sure that you have logged into your Facebook with the account that you've used while creating your TikTok account. So go with your Facebook and make sure that you have the exact account that you're using for your TikTok. Or if not, you can just go with the upper right, which has that three bar, and then you can switch to your account. And once you've logged into your Facebook, you can just simply tap on continue with Facebook under your login to TikTok, and it will take a few seconds, and you'll be logged in to your TikTok with your Facebook. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.